See, this is Mr. Hoffpowers. Thank you. So when's the last time you smoked marijuana?
Last night.
Last night? You thought that was a great idea to smoke marijuana the day before you were coming into court?
Judge, you're going to want to read the back of his hoodie.
Turn around. Turn back around.
These the only clothes I got now. Like,
Well, maybe if you weren't spending money on drugs, you'd have some money to go, you can go to Goodwill and buy a new shirt for $5, for $2. So I'm not buying that that's all you have. And if it is all you have, then that's a choice that you're making. I'm going to find that you violated the condition of your bond. The fact that you smoked marijuana last night is absolutely ridiculous. You're making terrible decisions, and there's nothing I can do today because you could still be under the influence. And so we're not going to go through any paperwork and take any plea deals while I think you might be under the influence. So to make sure that you're not under the influence next time you come to court, I'm going to raise your bond in your case to $50,000. A condition of that bond, if you make it, is to have a drug patch on at all times. And you can go back with the bailiff. We'll reset the case. I'll reset it for the final docket of the year, which will be that Tuesday, the 16th. Okay. All right, so he doesn't have to wait the whole time, and we'll see how things go at that time. I am going to delete the paperwork. Y'all will have to do it again.
Yes, ma'am.
Good morning. You're Bonita Graham?
Yes, ma'am.
And Ms. Graham, you are on probation, obviously, for credit debit card abuse, and there's a new offense of credit debit card abuse. Ms. Holmes is asking for some additional time to discuss with you and Mr. Coleman what your options are in your cases. And she's also asked me if I would reconsider the bond condition requiring your GPS monitor. So you're still going to probation regularly like you're supposed to, correct? Are you working?
No, ma'am.
Okay. And so, Mr. Coleman, do you have any other information, recent information from probation that she's not doing what she's, as far as reporting?
No, Judge. No indication that she's otherwise violated that condition.
Okay. Let me look at something else also. So this was already a straight probation because that was the second credit debit card abuse.
And then she's also on home confinement, except for you did give her some location, like for her to be able to pick up her grandchild, because she takes care of her grandchild. So I know that there's restrictions on where she can and cannot go included.
I just want to make sure that, Ms. Graham, you understand that a condition of your bond, if it was not already, is that you have absolutely no type of work, whether it is for income or not, taking care of anyone in their home. Elderly, children, it doesn't matter to me. No home health stuff, no taking care of anyone, family or otherwise. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
So that wasn't what the first one was anyway. That was just, what you're on probation for is just helping someone pick up their purse that dropped and taking a credit card and using it for yourself. And so let me look at the new offense probable cause. Okay, that really didn't have anything to do with what was going on. These are just offenses of opportunity in different places, it appears. So I'm not sure where that. Is there any information that you have further on Mr. Coleman or the allegation of where or how the complaining witness, Ms. Brittany Morgan's card ended up?
It was a
My understanding is
auto
that
body shop.
place of employment, right?
No, it was an auto body shop.
It was used at the auto body shop.
Well,
No.
she was working there.
The lady
Oh.
it was an employee at the auto body shop in which Miss Graham was getting her car fixed over there. And the allegation is that she went into the lady's purse
Well,
and
I-
I thought she was
So
working
are the
at
bond that's,
the complainant worked at the auto
Yeah.
body shop.
Okay.
okay, so I guess, hold on, let me look at one more thing, because the bond conditions that are in place at this point is she's allowed to go to the grocery store, to church on Sunday, and transportation for her granddaughter as set out in the motion. No, I'm not going to modify that. Based on the history, you can continue wearing that GPS. I want to make sure that you're only going to the places that you're supposed to, because obviously if there's any opportunities that are afforded you with someone's belongings, you're going to take advantage of that, it appears. So, no, I'll reset the case, and we'll see you back at the next court date. Stay in touch with Ms. Holmes. She'll let you know when you need to be back. Thank you. You're free to go.
And there it is, another quiet reminder that every choice we make, even the small ones, can shift the entire direction of our lives. In this courtroom, we watched two people stand at the crossroads of consequence. One caught by a moment of carelessness, the other by a pattern that finally closed in. These weren't dramatic explosions, just subtle truths, revealed one question at a time. Truths about responsibility, accountability, and the weight of every decision we carry into a judge's courtroom, and into our own lives. Because in the end, the law doesn't shape character, it only exposes it. And the real question is, what will we do when life demands better from us?